Hello students, now I'm going to teach you about the second command, that is how to change the prompt. Now what is prompt? If you see on your screen, there is C, then users, then Anchal, then desktop, then hey, these are the basically folders in which I have opened this command from. Okay, so it's the hierarchy. Now if you want to change the entire string to something else, then you can do that, and for that the command is prompt. But in order to check the exact syntax, write help space prompt and press enter. So here are the instructions. Now you can do it on your system as well, and you can check it out how you can use different ways and different things related to this command, that is prompt. Now let me show you how to do it. I am writing prompt space, then you can write anything like Anshul at the rate awesome. It's totally up to you. You can write whatever you feel like. Press enter. See, now the prompt has been changed. Now whatsoever command you want to run, it's gonna do it. See, this is the changed prompt. You can type any command over here, press enter, and it's gonna work perfectly fine. See, it's working fine. You can write your name, anything, your company's name, whatever you feel like. You can change the prompt by your wish. Thank you students. See you in the next class with the next command.